are going to solve the exercise problems. First main, write m for meter and cm for centimeter to measure the given objects. They have given different objects, and to measure those objects you should write using centimeter or meter. Okay, first is sharpener. Sharpener is a smaller object. We measure the length of smaller object in centimeter. Okay, so write down cm. Okay, next is painting brush. Painting brush is also a smaller object, so we measure it with centimeter. Next is door. We measure the length of the door using meter. Okay, so write down m. Next is battery shell. So battery shell is a smaller object. We measure it with centimeter. Next is tree. We measure the length of the tree in meter. Okay. Second main, measure the given objects using the given ruler. Measure the given objects using the given ruler. They have given a ruler and they have given different objects, so we have to see the length of that object and we have to write it in the box. Firstly, the pencil. What is the length of the pencil? It is 10 centimeter. The pencil is 10 centimeter. So write down 10 centimeter in the box. 10 cm. Next is hand. What is the length of the hand? It is 0 to 5 centimeter. So write down 5. Next, what is the length of the key? It is 2 centimeter. So write down 2 centimeter. Okay. Third main, write m or cm for measuring length of these objects. Write m or cm for measuring length of these objects. They have given the length of few objects. You have to see which object is that and you have to write. Either we will measure that object in a meter or centimeter. First one, length of a pole. Length of a pole, we measure the pole in meter. So write down m. Next, second one, length of a pencil. Pencil is a smaller object, so we measure it with centimeter. Third one, length of a small wooden block. We measure it with centimeter. Fourth one, length of a ladder. We measure the length of the ladder in meters. Next, length of a stapler. Stapler is a smaller object, so we measure it with centimeter. Next, length of a notebook. Notebook is also small, so we can measure it with centimeter. Okay, fourth main, fill in the blanks. First question, 8 meter equals dash centimeter. In our previous video, I told you that 1 meter equals 100 centimeter, right? So, if 1 meter equals 100 centimeter, 8 meters equals how many centimeter, children? 800 centimeter. So, write down 800. Okay, second question, 2 meter equals how many centimeter? 200 centimeter. Third one, 6 meter equals how many centimeter? 600 centimeter. Fourth one, 9 meter equals how many centimeter? 900 centimeter. Fifth one, 4 meter equals how many centimeter? 400 centimeter. Sixth one, 1 meter equals how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. Seventh one, 5 meters equals how many centimeter? 500 centimeter. Eighth one, 7 meters equals how many centimeter? 700 centimeter. And ninth one, 3 meter equals how many centimeter? 300 centimeter. So all of you keep in mind, 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. Okay, fifth main, measure the length of the pencil A, B, C and D and find the longest pencil among them. They have given 4 pencils, that is pencil A, pencil B, pencil C and pencil D, and they have given a ruler. So you have to find out which is the longer pencil. So your pencil A, what is the length of pencil A? Is 3 centimeter. The length of pencil B is 4 centimeter. The length of pencil C is 5 centimeter and the length of pencil D is 7 centimeter. So which is the longest pencil? Pencil D. Pencil D is the longest centimeter. So write in this dash D. What is the length of pencil D? It is 7 centimeter. Okay. Okay children, the next main is sixth main, addition. The first problem, the numbers which are shaded in gold color represents the meters and the numbers which are shaded in silver color represents centimeter. We have to start from ones place, so we have to start from centimeter. 0 plus 5 gives you 5. 8 plus 1 gives you 9. Move on to the meters. 2 plus 4 gives you 6. So the answer is 6 meter 95 centimeter. Okay, second one, 0 plus 6 gives you 6. 3 plus 2 gives you 5. Move on to meter. 6 plus 2 gives you 8. So the answer is 8 meter 56 centimeters. Next, third question, 5 plus 0 gives you 5. 4 plus 3 gives you 7. Move on to meters. 3 plus 1 gives you 4. So your answer is 4 meter 75 centimeter. Fourth problem, 0 plus 0 gives you 0. 2 plus 3 gives you 5. Move on to meters. 5 plus 1 gives you 6. So your answer is 6 meter 50 centimeter. Next main is subtraction. Okay, you have to do the subtraction here. 5 minus 1 gives you 4. Next, 3 minus 2 gives you 1. Move on to meters. 5 minus 1 gives you 4. So your answer is 4 meter 14 centimeter. Second question, 6 minus 0 gives you 6. 3 minus 2 gives you 1. Move on to meter. 4 minus 2 gives you 2. So your answer is 2 meter 16 centimeter. Third question, 2 minus 2 gives you 0. 7 minus 3 gives you 4. Move on to meters. 5 minus 3 gives you 2. And fourth question, 0 minus 0 gives you 0. 6 minus 2 gives you 4. Move on to meters. 3 minus 1 gives you 2. So your answer is 2 meter 40 centimeter. In this way you are going to do the addition and subtraction. The next main is number stories. Okay. So first question, the carpenter got 2 planks of 34 meter and 70 centimeter and 50 meter 15 centimeter each. What is the total length of 2 planks? So what you have to do? Here they have asked the total length. I mean you have to do the addition. So write down first it is in meter and centimeter. Meter, centimeter. Carpenter got 2 planks of 34 meter and 70 centimeter. First write down 34 meter and 70 centimeter and then again he bought 50 meter 15 centimeter. Now you have to add both the numbers. 0 plus 5 gives you 5. 7 plus 1 gives you 8. Move on to meters. 4 plus 0 gives you 4. And 3 plus 5 gives you 8. So totally he bought 84 meter 85 centimeter of 2 planks. Okay. The second question. Father bought 56 meter 60 centimeter of copper wire. He used 34 meter 30 centimeter. How much wire is left with him? So to find out how much wire is left with him, you have to do the subtraction. So it is in meter and centimeter. Write down first meter and centimeter. First father bought how much of copper wire? 56 meter 60 centimeter and he used how much? 34 meter 30 centimeter. So to find out how much wire is left, what you have to do? You have to do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 gives you 0. 6 minus 3 gives you 6. 6 minus 4 gives you 2. And 5 minus 3 gives you 2. So 22 meter 30 centimeter copper wire is left with the farmer. Okay. So like this we are going to measure the length, measuring length.